Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. In today's video, I am going to share a beautiful and unique festive DIY with you all. And to make this decor, we are going to use the combination of paper rolls, cardboard box and the plastic bottles. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, to start with, we need these paper rolls for the decor which we are going to make. To know how to make these paper rolls, please watch my previous video. For that, the link is given in the description box. Stick the paper rolls as shown in the video. For better bonding, use Fevicryl fabric glue. If not, you may use regular Fevicol. After applying the glue, put the rubber band around paper rolls so that they remain intact till the glue gets dried. So this is what we are going to make, a rectangle frame. Apply glue on paper rolls and stick them to form a rectangle shape. After applying the glue, place the frame against the wall and add support to the other side also. Sticking the paper rolls only with glue will not make the frame strong enough. Now add some M-Seal to all four corners of the rectangle and leave it to get a perfect rectangle shaped frame. At first, I thought of making two rectangle frames, but when I just placed the frames one inside the other, I got a total new idea of making a frame with double frames. Just wait to see how beautiful and magical it's going to turn out. Now using M-Seal, fix small paper rolls between two frames at midpoints as shown in the video. Here all four paper rolls which you are going to fix should be of same size. Then only the distance between two frames will be equal throughout. Now we will paint the frame using Fevicryl acrylic color. Give second coat of painting after the first coat gets completely dried. After the painting is done, apply 2 coats of varnish. To know more about the varnish which I am using, please check the materials list. Now the frame is ready, so let's make the things which we are going to add to the frame. As we are going to use only the middle part of the bottle, make markings on the bottle accordingly and cut the bottle along the markings. I found the shape of this part quite interesting. We will make a decor using this later, so don't discard it. Now trace the design on the bottle and cut it along the design. Now make the outlines using Fevicryl 3D outliner. Now we will paint Santa using Fevicryl glass colors. You can keep some weight to make the surface flat. Use white glass color where we need to paint white. You may notice that white glass color turned transparent, so to get it opaque, paint those parts with acrylic color on backside and see the result. Give 2 coats of varnish where we used acrylic paint, that is on back side. Now we will make stars to add to the frame along with Santa. Here also we will use Fevicryl glass color on the front side, but we will use glitter paint instead of white acrylic paint on back side. To fix Santa inside the rectangle, I had to add a small circle to Santa's cap. We can stick Santa and stars either by using glue or M-seal. After making such a beautiful frame, we will not compromise in displaying it well. So let's see how to do it. I have been waiting for a chance to use this box for a long time. Finally, yes. We will make this box look like a wooden block. So first add little POP to acrylic paint and start applying paint directly on the box. Second coat of painting needs to be done, as you can see the print on the box clearly. To get the stains of a pine wood, take very little paint on the brush, rub it on a cloth and make very faint lines on the box. To seal the paint on the box, give 2 coats of varnish only after the paint gets completely dried. As it is festive time and Christmas time, without adding fairy lights, I don't think the decor is complete. Here we can use this box in 2 ways. One is to hide the cells of fairy lights and the other is to place the frame on it. Make a small cut on the box to provide space for the fairy lights wire to bring out. So now the frame is ready. Next step is to fix the frame on the box. Here we will use M-seal to stick the frame on the box. Similarly, I made another frame in triangle shape and added Christmas tree to it. This is the final look of the frame. Now let's add some ornaments to the frame. So this is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you found these ideas helpful and beautiful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and share the video with family and friends. And yes, do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you try any of these decor, do share your pictures with me on Instagram or Facebook. I would like to see your creations. See you all in my next video. Thank you.